Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be unboxing the Camel PWSF-1801 stand fan, which is my first 18-inch fan. And of course this was already tested there, so technically the seal's broken, but yeah, the fan works, so yeah, let's get on with it. I've already seen how it looks, but you might not, so yeah, first of all, just open the box. And then this is the KDK like screw cap, the blade, and the 18-inch grills. Wow. It actually looks smaller in the store than I thought. Yeah, this is pretty huge. Next up we have the main motor assembly, which honestly just looks like a National M series, as you can see here. Yeah, it's a National M series. And then the base. Whoa! Okay, this is actually better than a KDK base. It's metal and it's heavy. That's pretty rare. And then we have the stand tube. And now we're going to try to assemble this thing. First of all, get rid of the box. I'm serious. Product warranty. Give me that. I need that. Whatever. Ow. Go away. First of all, we unbox the base, which is a pretty simple task. Just snip off this terrible knot over here and just take out the base. Yep, there we go. And then we get our screw and unscrew the 4 bolts down here. There we go. Whoa! Okay. This is the first time I've actually done this thing. So yeah. So I'll just loosen those. We'll get the stand tube later. Yeah. Okay. We'll get the stand tube out. Here it is. It just goes in like that. So better remove the screws first. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit of dust. Not many people buy this model. Yeah, this is gonna be tricky with the camera, so I'm just gonna stop this recording. Simple enough, you just attach the screws. And yeah, great. It's just really hard to demonstrate on camera because I'm clumsy and all. Wait. Straighten the screw out. There we go. Yeah, you do that. And then you just fully tighten it like that. So, pretty simple. Next, we do this stand tube part, which is kind of hard, to be honest. This is the stand tube, and so must fully extend it first. Just do that. Oh wait, before we do anything else, fine. Why? Why do you have to do this, huh? Camel? This is stupid. Oh, weird. Okay. And so, yeah, we got this stand. I don't know which direction this actually goes, but here is the fan itself. Now, this attaches with a screw instead of the normal National style screw. So, you attach the stand, make sure the hole is in line, and then you just do that. And yeah, just do this. Just screw it in. Simple as that. Very simple indeed. Just screw it maybe a little tighter than you want. yeah, be careful when releasing this thing. It's very, very, yeah. Here's the blade, and first thing you want to do is untie this weird string thing. And then, second, this is the, wow, that's huge. First, you gotta attach the fan grill to this, so pretty simple. Just do that, and this. Just screw it in like a normal fan would. It's just slightly harder. I've never had an 18-inch fan before. So make sure it's slightly tighter than usual. Then you have these. Do not remove these. These are factory balancing pins to balance the blade. Yeah, don't remove those. And so we have our shaft. Just straighten that out. Align it with the half moon shafting, which is like this. And then, yeah, it should align. But, I'm having trouble. There we go. And then you attach the blade cap. There we go. And now you attach the 6 pins on the grill. First, you might want to remove this plastic, which you will do using the technique I call just pin it out. Yeah, there we go. And here's the Camel badge. Yeah, this is nice. And make sure it's still on the top, because some people just mistakenly put the badge upside down. And you don't want to do that because it's weird. And just put it back in. It's actually pretty hard. Yeah, there we go. It snapped back in. Now we can just attach the, whoa, yeah, attach the fan grill. And here we go. Kind of wobbly, to be honest. Ooh, yeah. Not a first good impression, but yeah, let's test the fan out. See if it actually works as a fan. Yeah. Here we go. Testing this PWSF-1801C. Yep. Yep, there we go. It's going. Yeah, pretty nice. So, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.